Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to ask for the address in Norwegian. When learning a new language, some of the most vital phrases you need are those that help you find your way. This is particularly true for Norwegian, whether you're visiting Norway or conversing with Norwegian speakers elsewhere. In our discussion today, we aim to arm you with phrases, vocabulary, and practical examples to ask for an address in Norwegian confidently. Key phrases for address and directions. Here are some foundational phrases that can come in handy when asking for an address in Norwegian. Hva er adressen? Hva er adressen? Hva er adressen? What is the address? Hvor bor du? Hvor bor du? Hvor bor du? Where do you live? Hvordan kommer jeg meg til? Hvordan kommer jeg meg til? Hvordan kommer jeg meg til? How do I get to? Er det langt unna? Er det langt unna? Er det langt unna? Is it far away? Kan du vise meg det på kartet? Kan du vise meg det på kartet? Kan du vise meg det på kartet? Can you show me it on the map? Er det i nærheten? Er det i nærheten? Er det i nærheten? Is it nearby? Kan du skrive det ned? Kan du skrive det ned? Kan du skrive det ned? Can you write it down? Expanding your vocabulary. Let's dive into more vocabulary that will be helpful when discussing addresses or directions in the region. I-adresse, 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 address. Ei gate, ei gate, street, en vei, a road. Et nummer, et nummer, et nummer, a number. En by, en by, en by, a city. Et postnummer, et postnummer, et postnummer, a zip code. Et kryss, et kryss, et kryss, an intersection. Høyre, 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 right. Venstre, 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 left. Nærmeste, 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 nearest. En stasjon, en stasjon, en stasjon, a station. Et tog, et tog, et tog, a train. Practical usage, examples and scenarios. Asking for a personal address. Should you find yourself in a situation where you need to ask someone for their personal address, you might say, Hva er adressen din? Hva er adressen din? Hva er adressen din? What is your address? They might reply, Jeg bor i Karl Johans gate 25 0159. Jeg bor i Karl Johans gate 25 0159 Oslo. Jeg bor i Karl Johans gate 25 0159 Oslo. Asking for a business location. If you need to know the address of a specific business, you can ask Hva er adressen til restauranten? Hva er adressen til hotellet? Hva er adressen til butikken? What is the address of the restaurant, the hotel, the shop? Getting there, asking for directions. When you're out and about and need guidance, you could ask Hvordan kommer jeg meg til operahuset? Hvordan kommer jeg meg til operahuset? Hvordan kommer jeg meg til operahuset? How do I get to the opera house? Gå rett frem til du kommer til et stort kryss. Deretter tar du til venstre. Gå rett frem til du kommer til et stort kryss. Deretter tar du til venstre. Gå rett frem til du kommer til et stort kryss. Deretter tar du til venstre. Go straight until you reach a big intersection, then you take to the left. Gauging distance. To find out how far away a place is, you could ask, Er det langt til nærmeste togstasjon? Er det langt til nærmeste togstasjon? Er det langt til nærmeste togstasjon? Blir far to the nearest train station? Er operahuset i nærheten av denne gata? Er operahuset i nærheten av denne gata? Er operahuset i nærheten av denne gata? Is the opera house near this street? By understanding how to ask for an address and direction in Norwegian, you're acquiring a practical skill that will be immensely useful in both travel and social interactions. Whether you find yourself in Norway or in any Norwegian speaking context, these phrases and vocabulary words will empower you to navigate your surroundings effectively. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to NLS Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expert crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable sheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos and podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc. For an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,